Uncle?
Good evening, sir. Sir, actually, I was in the other call, sir. Sorry, sir.
All of
Evening,
you can
sir.
see. Good evening.
It's only us two, sir. Me and Nitish.
There are others.
Sir,
Sir, they
Komal
didn't
is
join
sick
the
and
previous
Tarun is
class also, sir.
missing.
Okay. Okay, all right. You both can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
today you said we're gonna start a new chapter. I think I don't know.
First,
No,
we'll
we are
practice for the
going
exam, right?
to practice
Oh, yeah, right.
questions from previous chapters.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You
Okay.
said okay.
Yeah. So thing is,
Wait, I can't.
there are five questions, and during this class, you should be able to solve these questions,
So
and then we will discuss
one
the
sec.
solutions also.
Yes, sir. Once again,
Okay.
I leave and join. So I can't see the screen.
You can see the screens, Uncle?
Yes, sir, I can, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in the second question, can we take every one as log 10, sir?
When the base is not given, it is log 10.
Sir, did you put? Okay, I can't.
No, sir.
I read two, sir.
I'm telling, sir, I'm telling log. Basically, the number one is log 10 to the base 10, right, sir?
That'll be one, ra.
Yeah, that means one. We can take one as log 10 to the base 10. We can take every number one as log 10 to the base 10.
Which question?
Second question, sir.
Where is log 10?
So there is no log 10, sir. I'm saying, can we take the number 1 as log 10 to the base 10?
Oh, that way. So log 10 on base 10 is 1, that's correct. If it fits your equation and it helps you to find the value of x, go ahead. I don't have a problem. Point is,
So
at
that
the
I have
end, you just have to find the value of x in both questions,
Yes, sir.
second and third.
like I can't see the screen, so it's a blue screen for me, sir.
Wait, it will
See?
come. Wait.
Yeah, I waited for 2 minutes.
Just a second.
So the first question, do we have the test, sir? Because it's only logarithms and
Coming?
Okay.
Yeah.
the first question, it is not there for the exam, sir, because the
Why?
exam is only on logarithms and
Oh,
triangles.
it's on indices, logarithms, and triangles.
Oh,
Indices are there. Yeah. Okay, so
Wait,
your time starts now. We will start solving the questions at 7:15. Okay,
10 minutes you're
so
getting.
that's very less time, sir. We have
very
like
less.
only
Yeah, actually.
It is
20 minutes.
it is enough. Come on, start.
Yes, sir.
25 minutes. Rather, we can do this way. Let's finish first question and then we see the solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So go for the first question first.
The first question we did questions like that, sir.
You need to take the LHS and that should come as 1.
Yes. Sir, it is like, sir, between the brackets, it is multiply, right, sir?
Multiplication, yes.
Mm. Wait, I'm stuck.
Hmm?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell.
Yeah, like when I multiply everything, like the first question, sir,
Mhm.
uh, I get some values that are still left out even if I cancel everything, sir. Like,
Apply carefully using the law of indices. Okay.
yes, sir.
Sir, after coming from a chemistry class, these variables look like elements, sir.
Uh,
Okay, done.
no, no, no,
Sir,
no,
sir,
one second,
sir.
one second. I didn't even do the first question.
Sir, I got it, but I'm right.
Don't you dare tell it if you don't know it's correct.
No, like,
No problem.
Okay, I see what
Go for
mistake I
go
made in
for
the
the
top.
second part.
Well, the first question is very big. I think I'm doing it wrong.
yes, sir, it's getting very big.
What did you do?
So first I made x a by x b like x a minus b, and then I multiplied a minus b with a plus b minus c, which is giving me a very very big. Like I did that for all the three. So
Right. So let's see how it
I'm
goes.
still doing, sir. I'm still doing it, sir.
Yes,
One
yes,
second, sir.
yes.
Sir, 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, minus b square is the same as plus b square, right, sir?
Oh,
No, right?
like
Okay.
same in the sense what?
Like minus b square means if I abbreviate that formula, I'll get plus one. Oh yeah, okay, I can't do that. Okay, nothing. Nothing, sir. Sorry, sir.
Probably terms will get cancelled.
Yes, sir. Mm.
My God.
Don't do it, sir. One second. I'll finish it.
Yes, sir. I'm done. I proved x is equal to 1.
X is equal to 1.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
1 is equal to 1, ra.
Yes, sir. I found out what x is.
No, you shouldn't find out what x is.
Yeah, I
You
found
have
out
to
that
see
the
that this side is equal to this
Okay,
side.
let's see. Let's see.
No, 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 no. 1 second, 1 second, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. I'm almost finished. Like two
Yeah,
more
yeah,
seconds
yeah.
left.
Continue, continue.
Okay,
this
okay.
equation I striked it out so many times that I had to use 2.5 pages, sir.
Aim is to show that LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to x raised to the power a divided by x raised to the power b, a plus b minus c into x raised to the power b, x raised to the power c, further raised to the power b plus c minus a.
Yes, sir. I did
And
get LHS is equal to RHS.
okay, okay,
Hey,
fine.
that.
X raised to the power c, x raised to the power a, whole power c plus a minus b. Then it
Yes.
becomes x raised to the power a minus b, whole power a plus b minus c into x raised to the power b minus c, whole power b plus c minus a into x raised to the power c minus a
Sir, I
plus a
did it the
minus b.
other way, but I got it the right way, sir.
No problem, no problem. This comes as
So I'm
x raised to
almost
the power
finished.
a minus b, a plus b minus c into x raised to the power b minus c into
Yes,
b
I also
plus c
proved, sir.
minus a. Good, very good. X raised to the power c minus a, c plus a minus b.
Yes, I also did it.
And since the base is same, all the powers will add up. That means we have x raised to the power a minus b, a plus b
Into
minus
a
c
plus b minus c,
plus
a b minus c, plus
b
b minus
minus
c,
c, b
C
into
plus
into
c
b plus
A
c.
minus
plus
a
C minus A.
That is what I
plus
did. But
c
then I
minus
multiplied
a
everything.
into c
Yes,
plus
sir.
a
Even I
minus b.
multiplied everything.
That has to be done. Now see.
Oh, that has to be done? Okay, then.
Yeah.
That has to
So
be done.
a square plus ab
Plus
minus
AB
ac
minus AC minus AB minus
minus
B square.
ba
So I tore the
minus
page,
b
sir,
square
by doing this.
plus bc plus
There's a hole in my page right
C
now, sir.
b square plus bc minus ba minus bc
plus the C.
minus c square plus ac. Now plus c square plus ca minus cb and then minus ac minus a square plus ab. Now we just have to see what cancels what.
So everything cancels.
So a square cancels a square.
Yes.
Now AB, where
AB
is AB? AB
The tens
cancels
or
this
not that
AB.
tens, like the same.
negative BA. It's anything is same.
AC
Negative
cancels
AC,
The last
CA,
negative AC.
right?
positive
Or that
AC,
one. Okay.
negative
Then
BA,
BA
positive
plus
AB.
BA,
Positive
positive
AC.
AB. B square, negative B square cancels positive B square. Then BC cancels minus BC. Plus BC cancels minus
Minus
CB.
CB.
What remains?
Negative C square.
Minus C square plus C square and CA minus it. Everybody is cancelled. So ultimately, what do we have? This is
X
x
is
raised
equal
to the
Is
power
to,
equal
of
I mean,
to
0,
power of 0, which is equal to 1,
which is 1, which is RHS.
equal to 1.
so
And that's
I
it.
so I did it like x
I did the same thing.
x to the power of a square plus b minus c by x to the power of a plus b square minus c into x to the power of b square plus c minus a by x to the power of
Same
b
thing,
square
Rao.
plus c square minus a into x to the power of c square plus a minus b by x to the power of c plus a square minus b. And I got
Hey, you
confused in
got
this
the
part and
answer,
I
Noda. Why are
start
you
to
saying everything?
No, 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 that's not right.
how is that
So
not
what did
right,
he do?
sir?
That's
What
not
did he
right.
do?
It's not equal to x raised to the power a square plus b minus c divided by x raised to the power a plus b square minus c. That's not the way it opens into
How did
other,
he even do this?
right? That's what you did now, Sankan?
Yes, sir.
That's not equal to this. Okay. Correct procedure is
Why,
this
sir?
one.
Why? But
Because
I still got the answer as x is equal to 1.
that could be a that could be a constructive fault that the answer came as
Marks
1,
won't tell the same thing.
but the steps are not correct. Okay.
So you got like a half a mark.
Yes.
You were lucky that even though there is a fault, but the answer came correctly. The teacher won't give marks to that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I did the same thing you did. Sir. I got
Okay.
happy.
Let's see the second question. Try the
So don't do it,
first.
sir. Now we will do it.
Yeah. First question, second part.
Yeah. What? Wait. I finished, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Wait.
Okay, good. Then.
So he said
Yeah,
he didn't
yes, sir.
finish it yet. Okay,
Yes,
So
I am
let's
done.
see.
I'm done.
I did
Right.
fast.
So x raised to the power question first. Second part. LHS is equal to x raised to the power a b minus c. X raised to the power. Can you read out b into c minus a? Is it
So A minus C,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It's
Both same. A minus C, sir. It's A minus C.
A
minus
minus
c?
C, sir. A minus C. A minus
Okay.
C.
After that,
A minus C, and then whole
Divided
divided
by
with x b x
whole of
raised
x.
to b divided by x raised to a the whole raised to c, or x
Yes, sir.
raised to b raised to a the
right?
whole divided by which is equal to c. I mean it is
Is
equal to
equal
But
1.
to 1.
so that we take as LHS. This is a into b minus c
Yes,
divided
sir.
by x raised to the power b a minus c,
Yes. So
further
you could
divided
multiply.
by x raised to the power bc divided by x raised to the power ac.
Yes, sir.
So this is equal to x raised to the power. I multiply the powers now.
Yes, a b minus a c.
Now divide becomes multiplication. Third terms
It's
interchange.
bc minus c.
Okay. So this is nothing but multiplication now. So x raised to the power ab minus ac plus ac divided by x raised to the power ba minus bc plus bc. So these
b and a b
cancel
will get
each other. B and AB are same. X raised to the power AB divided by x raised to the power BA. Both
they
are
will get
equal.
cancelled.
So that's why it is equal to 1,
So I
which
did
is
it
our
a little bit different, sir.
Yes, sir. I
no
did a
problem.
No,
little.
I did like first I
Right.
multiplied a with the integer inside like you did, and
Okay.
then I for the x raised to b, x raised to a the whole c, I just brought the x raised to a value up like x raised to b minus c the whole into c, and then I multiplied the inside parts, and then for this
Okay.
side like x raised to
Yeah.
b a minus c, I multiplied it for both, and then I brought x b a minus bc up, and then when I multiplied it,
Right.
ba and ab get cancelled,
Right.
and then they both
Right.
were
Right.
same.
Right.
So when they divide the same thing, it will be one. Okay.
Right. Right. Yes, Uncle. What about you?
Sir, I did it where like I opened the brackets in xb by xa. It became like that, and after that I multiplied a into b minus c and b into a minus c. Then I brought both of them up, and I like cancelled and I cancelled them, and I after that I
Yeah.
reciprocal and I cancelled the entire thing, and 1 is equal to 1. That's how I got it.
Good then.
I
Good.
didn't reciprocal, sir. That's the only.
Good. Good.
I
Good.
just
Both of you are correct.
thing
Let's see
divided
the
the same thing.
second question. So
Okay, now
try the
log.
second question. These questions you need to find the value of x.
Yes.
Okay.
So can I cancel the log fives?
There is +1 and -1 also. No?
Yeah, that will stay there, sir. That's not a part of the log, right? So like it's
Follow
also part of
the
the equation.
rules. You remember the rules of logarithm, the
So
laws
they
of
were like
logarithm.
3, right? Like,
So
also
if
there's
they
Yes, sir.
also
allow, so if they allow to do it, you can do it.
yes, sir. Said like there is 3 logs, but this is like the supplementary log. I mean, supplementary law, right? Given like a supplementary law, right, sir?
No.
We used it to solve problems in the classes.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, so
Whichever
then we
way,
can use it.
whichever way.
What? So I got 0 is equal to 0, sir.
Then something is wrong.
So I like canceled the log and then it was like x plus, and then I multiplied it, and then when I came out, it, like everything got cancelled, sir.
Something is wrong.
Do it again. Oh wait, I can transpose.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, one second, sir. Almost done.
1 second, sir. 1 second.
2 seconds. Yeah, in 2 seconds I'll also finish. Almost. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I finished, sir. So I got the answer.
Done, sir.
13 divided by 12.
Does both of your answer match?
I don't know what Sankal's answer is, sir.
1 second, sir.
What's your answer, Sankal?
1 second, sir. 1 second. Sir.
Oh,
Sir, I'm getting it as 1, sir.
Okay, so one of you or both of you are incorrect.
both of us are incorrect or one of us is incorrect. So what are you telling?
Yeah. Okay, so let's see.
Now who's wrong?
So what we will do, I
Oh, you
don't know.
tell.
I also don't know.
Okay.
So what we'll do, we'll put -1 on the right hand side and bring the log x -1 on the left hand side. So the equation
Yes.
looks like this. Minus log x
Minus
minus
log
1,
5.
5, and that becomes 1 plus 1. So
Yes.
this is, since the bases are same, we know the law log m minus n is log m by
You
n.
forgot to change the symbol, sir. It will become x plus 1, sir.
That's x plus 1. And this is 2. Okay. So what it tells me? It tells me that 5 raised to the power of 2 is equal to this thing. It
X
means
plus 1 by x.
5 raised to the power 2 is equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So that becomes 25 into x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1. So this becomes 25x minus 25 is equal to x plus 1. Now 25x minus x is equal to 25 plus 1, which becomes 24x
Let's go.
equal to 26, and
Wait.
x is coming as 26 by 24, or when you cancel,
13 by 12 only.
13 by 12.
El bozo.
You were getting this only or something else?
Yes, sir. 13 by 12 only, sir. Same method,
Oh,
sir.
good, good, very good. Understandable, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try the third question.
Sir, I was like 26x is equal to 26x is equal to 1.
What?
So we
No,
need to
like
be
I
very
didn't see the
careful when you are writing the steps. Okay?
Okay, next log
Sir.
question.
Yeah. Try for the third question.
Like, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Like, when I can take log x as common, like, it's like a normal,
No, 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 no.
sir, but the, so it's like
Sir, so we
a
can't do log x
algebra.
49 minus log. Sir, so we can't do log x 49 minus log x 7 and make it as log x 49 by 7. We can't do that.
It is possible. He is saying that taking log x common and then it will write 49 minus 7 plus 1 by 343. Is it?
Yes, sir.
No, no, not that way.
Okay.
Sir,
Just
but
making my life easier, sir.
isn't log like a ratio? Like it's different, right, sir?
No, no, no.
So then
They
why
are
do we use
they are
log?
related to
Why do we why
they
do
are
we use
related to
log to
powers.
show that? Why do we use log to show that thing, sir? When log has no specific value.
So thing is, yeah, it's a tool. Okay. Of course, you can do all of
No
these
values, right?
things only by using power symbols. Nothing is going to be harmful and nothing will be lost also. But we are being uh, aware of the similar tool which do the same job. So it's like a beneficial situation where we know two tools to deal the same situation. Okay. That's it. Nothing else. At your stage. Okay. Of course, when you will grow up, then you will know better answer. But at this stage, this is the best possible.
Yes, sir.
Sir, don't do it, sir. 1 second. I'm almost done,
Sir,
sir.
don't
Last
do it,
one
sir.
second, sir.
I'm not doing.
In 7 tables, 343 is 49, right, sir? I did the calculation, but I'm probably wrong.
343 is a power of 7.
So I'm asking,
It's
in
49. It's
343
49.
is
It's 49.
49
It
into
is
7 is equal
49.
to 343, right, sir?
Right.
Right?
Right.
Okay, sir. Got the answer.
Sir, I got the
Mhm.
answer.
I
What
said
are
first
your
Sir, it
answers?
was a millisecond.
x equal to 7. X is equal to 7, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7.
Okay, good then. Let's see.
So, are we right?
So
I'm
this is
pretty sure.
basically log 7 square on base x. This is minus log 7 on base x. And this is actually log 343 raised to the power minus 1 on base x. 2 equal to 0. So this is 7 times of log 7 on, sorry, this is 2 times of log 7 on base x minus 1 times of log 7 on base x minus log 7 cube on base x equal to minus 2.
So, we didn't know 334 was 7 cubes.
No, I divided 343 by 7. I got 49.
Divided. You divided, but in the initial step, you didn't write log 334 as log 7 cube, right?
I never converted anything like this, sir. I've
First two
multiplied everything.
terms gives me log 7 on base x and the last term gives me minus 3 times of log 7 on base x equal to minus
Yes,
2. Now 1 unit minus 3 unit gives me minus 2 units of log 7 on base x equal to minus 2. That means that you have, when minus 2 cancels, it's basically log 7 on base x equal to 1.
Is equal to 1.
That means x raised to the power 1 is 7, which means that x
Yay!
is equal to 7. Very
Yay! Yeah, so good.
So
good.
we,
Everybody
I
understandable?
think
Yeah.
me and Nitish did this in the same way, where we took log x,
So we multiplied everything,
log
sir.
x.
We like multiplied 49, 7, and 1 by 43. 343.
I didn't do it. I didn't multiply everything. I didn't multiply everything.
Then why
No
did you say
problem.
that?
I
No
did it
problem.
like
But
log x 49 minus log x 7 is equal to log x 49 by 7, which is equal to 7. So log x
okay,
7
see,
plus log x.
Sankalp, there is a correction. Whenever we read logarithm, no, the base always comes later. So this object is read as log 49 on base x.
On base.
That is a way of reading this term, not log x of 49. It is read as log 49 on base x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is why
And
I never like to
I,
say my answers. Sir.
Mm.
sir, and and then I got log 7x plus log 1 by 343 x is equal to negative 2 log. So according to the laws, log x log 7 plus 134 x log,
Base X.
so log, then it will become log 101 1 by 49 x is equal to negative 2 log x 10 x power negative 2 is equal to 49,
1 by
because like
49.
49 goes up and 1.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Very good.
1 by
x is equal
49
to
is equal to
7.
1 by x square, and then x square
That also
x
is correct.
is equal to.
Yes, that's also is correct.
After that step,
Point.
me and
Yeah.
him did the
So
same thing. Sir.
you need to make sure that when you write the steps, they should be clear and they need to be have no cuttings. Okay. So it should look a nice way of writing. Okay. Whenever
I think
possible, use these type of symbols. It gives a
I
better
use that kind of
information.
symbol.
Okay. Let's see the last
So
question
I
for today.
think me and Sankalp and I are gonna ace the test sir, by these
Hmm.
questions.
Okay,
These
let's see the
questions are
fourth
hard.
If the
What
question.
do you think?
questions are if the questions are this hard, it is okay to solve.
This hard and then
Let's try the
this
fourth
question
question.
is this is the question I probably gonna get wrong. So.
Great,
So
no
this is
problem.
actually my advantage, sir. Like this,
I hate
well,
that.
So
concurrency is my advantage.
so make
Logarithms
sure
is
that
my
you write also as if
weakness.
you are writing in the exam. Okay. So see that.
Yes.
Okay, so I was gonna be silent for the team. I just draw the image. I do the diagram.
Good.
So we have to show that PM is equal to CM.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, in politics it is not true.
We,
But
we
No,
have
sir.
to show.
No, no.
Sir, so we have to show that PM is equal to CM. Okay.
Except in real
so
life.
that
Okay.
that's what it means, no? QR
Yes.
bisects PC. So
Yes, sir.
this should be shown as this.
Choice of letters is very poor. Okay, nothing. Okay, nothing.
Sir.
Done
And
now,
what is
bruh.
given to you is also that CR is equal to BP.
It's given, but I don't think it's useful, sir.
I drew.
Okay.
That's why I drew the image. I drew the lines also.
Sir, I got AAA rule, sir. According to AAA
That's
rule.
not a
A ruler.
congruency.
That's not even a rule, da.
AAA is. Oh, sorry, sorry. Sorry.
SSS
Oh,
only.
sorry. I'm so
SSS
sorry.
only is a
I'm so
rule.
sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
AAA.
Should CM be equal to PM or should CM be equal to BM, sir?
PM. It bisects PC, no?
See, like if PM and CM are the same.
It also by okay, it bisects.
Yellow thing is to be shown.
So can
Black
I
things are
prove that?
given.
So can I prove that QBP is a equilateral triangle?
So take your time. This is your practice question. Okay.
Okay.
Yep, I found it, sir. SAS rule.
No, two more
Sorry,
seconds.
sorry,
Wait,
sorry,
please, sir.
sorry. It's wait, is it S?
4 seconds, please.
Wait. It is ASA. Sorry, it's ASA, not SAS.
Wait for 2 seconds.
Take your time.
1, 2. I gave you extra 5 seconds to.
Know the answer?
Yeah, I gave you another 5 seconds to. But even though this chapter is easy, I still hate it. Sir.
Yeah,
I
because
hate it and it's
it's
not
of a
easy.
different flavor.
Yes, sir. I actually like a lot of algebra, sir.
Bro, but this has
Everybody
nothing
has
to do with
their own taste.
Yes, sir. I like a lot of algebra, even though I get all algebra wrong. It's just that I like it.
it's so sad.
It's because this congruency, it's all logical, sir. But
Plus work.
algebra, you have to solve it and find it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like every time new. But in like congruency, it's like every time the same rules. SAS rule, ASA rule, SSS rule.
Okay, all right then. So comments.
Yes, sir. Can I say? Sir,
Yes,
so
sir.
2 seconds.
we know that PM is equal to CM. That is one side. And
Hey, we don't know that, Ra.
he gave it in the question. PM is equal to CM.
No.
No, we have to prove
Yellow,
that.
yellow
Hey.
information is to be proven.
Oh,
Okay.
it's supposed to be.
How
Oh.
dare you, Ra?
One second.
So both of you take your time.
So I think I finished. I don't know if it's
Mhm.
correct. And okay, can I tell?
And
So like we can say angle A, like angle A, angle C, angle B, they all are 60-degree because it's a equilateral triangle. I mean equilateral triangle.
Do you know that's an
Uh,
equilateral triangle?
it's written in the image, da. I mean it's written in the question, da.
Oh, ABC. Okay. I thought
ABC.
you were talking about QBC. Okay, I thought you were talking
No,
about QB,
no, I wasn't.
QBB.
Yes, sir.
okay.
So, like, also I can tell that angle QPB is equal to angle ACB because QB and AC are parallel lines. So, angle QPB is also 60 degrees. And then, like, I can say angle B is also equal to angle ACB because, one second, I written something wrong.
I got three angles same, sir, but I
Yeah,
have to
sir.
have one side
Angle,
complete.
angle B is also equal to 60 degrees because like in triangle BPQ, it's angle B is
Simple,
equal
sir,
to
simple.
angle ACB.
Sir,
Should,
simple.
hey, Chupta,
Angle
I'm still saying
MCR.
da. Hey, I'm saying da. And then in
Hmm.
angle BQR is also 60 degrees. So we can say that uh, like according I mean in this figure we can say that QBP is also a equilateral triangle. So PQ we can say PQ is I mean PQ is equal to CR which is given. One second.
Mhm. Given is
Okay.
PB is
PQ
equal to CR.
no sir PQ is equal to CR, which is also
Okay.
equal to QB, which is also equal to BP because it's an equilateral triangle. And then
Okay.
we can in triangle PMQ and triangle CMR, since PQ and AC are parallel, like we can say that Q and R are transversal like line. Uh, angle PQ, no, yeah, angle PQM and angle CRM are equal. Same goes for, and then angle PMQ and angle CMR are same because vertically opposite. And then from in ASS rule, I can say that triangle PQM and then uh,
ASS.
no, ASS. I mean, see, no, no, not ASS. Sorry, AAS. AAS.
AS.
AAS. AAS. I can say PQM and triangle CMR are congruent.
Right. Right.
So
Right.
I can tell PM and CM are same. So it's a bisector.
Okay.
QR is a bisector of PC.
Very good. Very good. Let's see.
I
So
might
let's
actually
see
be better.
how do we write
Wait,
it.
how did you do it? How did you do it?
So since
Prove that this triangle is
so
congruent to
PQ
this
is
triangle.
parallel to AR, right? That means
Yes,
that
sir.
angle CAQ is equal to angle PQB. Since this is 60 degrees, so this also is 60 degrees. And further, angle ACP is equal to angle QPB. Since this is 60 degrees, so this also is 60 degrees, which means that in triangle QBP, all angles are 60 degree. And that PQB or QBP is an equilateral triangle, which means that QB is same as BP is same as PQ. And we are given that BP is equal to CR also. So this is given. So it tells me that I look at BP. So since BP is equal to PQ, BP is equal to CR also, it means that PQ is same as CR. Okay, let's call it 1. Then we get in triangle QPM and triangle RCM, angle PQM is equal to angle CRM because of transversal and parallel. They are transversal angles. We have angle QMP equal to angle RMC, vertically opposite angles. Then we have PQ equal to CR from first, and this tells me using AAS that triangle QPM is congruent to triangle RCM. Then
So we can use
CPCTC,
ASA also, sir.
we can use ASA also, yes, that is
No,
also possible.
okay.
CPCTC tells me that PM is equal to CM. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the thing which we learned today is how to write. Okay, that should be very clear. Every step matters, and the calculation which you do in your mind will be visible on your paper which you write.
That's the
Okay.
thing I'm scared about in the about to write the exam, sir. Like I do everything,
Because it
every
is
triangle
To be,
question in my mind
sir,
it
itself,
is
sir.
fair, the three chapters indices, yeah, the triangles and logarithms are easier chapters than commercial mathematics and
Yeah,
rational numbers.
actually, so that's
That
100% true, sir.
it's though those chapters
Happens.
are like very tough, sir.
Sir, like
Happens.
there's a different category. So this is not understandable, but can be
Yeah.
easily understood. That is hard.
Yeah.
Even to understand, it's hard.
Correct. That's true. Very true. But anyway, even if it is hard, since it is there, at least we have to be ready to face such questions. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm thinking twice to choose economics in 11th, sir, because if you choose economics in 11th, you don't have to write JE or NEET, sir, because
But you have
economics
to
is
do
like a
commercial
completely
mathematics.
different one.
No, it's so point is, what do you want to become? According to that, you choose. What's your wish?
Yes.
All combinations are good. It's up to you what you have decided to become, or if not yet have decided, then take your time. You're still in, I mean,
Nice.
too early.
So, like, if you study economics, it's very tough to become a chartered accountant or economic job, like the job you think to. But in if you choose science field, you have a lot of options. Like you can go to software, you can go to like there are like engineering. You have many options to choose.
The thing is, difficult and easy depends upon the interest. If you are interested in particular branch or field, those things will seem easy to you.
Because we enjoy
Right?
it.
For example, economics is too difficult for me, but it could be easy for somebody else.
Like Sankar.
So take your time,
I
you
don't,
decide,
I don't like
you figure out,
economics.
what you can do, you can figure out, make a list of 5 6 areas where you want to stay in future. Accordingly, work backwards. What combinations you can choose.
Sir, and another reason why I want to choose I have a reason to choose economics is my mom is an economics teacher for 11th and 12th. So whenever I
Yes,
have
I
a
know.
doubt, I can ask her.
That will stay only
Bruh.
for 2 years, no?
Yes, sir. She has finished college and she got a gold. She's a gold medalist, sir. So even if I have doubt when I go to college, she can still clarify it, sir.
Good. That's also an advantage. And where it will lead you to.
A better life.
Dream.
Can we be more specific?
At goal.
Uh, sir,
Like
I
after 7 years of education, what do you want to be called as?
an architect,
A
sir.
scholar. Bruh.
Okay, good then. So if you have got it that you want to become an architect,
I want to be
work
called as
backwards.
Nobel Prize winner.
What are the degrees required for it? Which colleges offer those degrees? What are the eligibility criteria? Like
If I ever don't become an architect, my second option is to become a chef, sir. Because right now I am actually
good,
good at cooking.
Option is what?
To become a
good,
chef.
yes, yeah, of course.
Chef.
Why not?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
What about you, Nitish?
So I was thinking about architect, but now like now I'm a bit edgy. Yeah, like it's edge between architect and a doctor. Sir.
Okay,
I
good.
don't have I it's like sir, only parents who force their children to become doctors, sir. But as such, no one has the idea to become a doctor, sir.
No, I actually
But
wanted to be
that's
a doctor.
that has a logical reason because you won't get to meet doctors when pretty soon. And their working areas are different, their working schedules are different, and the time when they work, you are in the school. So how likely is it for you to meet a doctor?
They have done some night shifts also. Sir.
At least somebody has to tell, no, or it will come. some reasons, naturally or
Sir,
unnaturally.
becoming a doctor is a very tight job, sir. Like there is no
They'll call
timings.
you
They can
whenever there's
call
an
you any,
emergency.
yeah, whenever they want you to be there.
It's not like that. I mean, I would say, in the starting of a profession, every profession is tight. Okay, nobody is sits idle.
Architect, you have to like keep drawing. Like the
Only when
drawing should
you
be precise.
stay in that profession for longer time, you reach higher positions and then you get time for yourself. Every profession is
Yeah,
very tight, whatever you choose.
I thought of not becoming a doctor after seeing my friend's dad. He went like morning 6 o'clock. He left to the hospital. He came back at 7, and after that he said I have to go back to the hospital at 11 o'clock.
Okay, but
it won't be like any paid.
generally the schedule is 10 to 6, and probably he was leaving early because his office is very far from the home. Could be.
So
Yes, sir. It's
sometimes
actually
like
very fun.
depends on
Yeah.
the situation. So sometimes if it's a
For
dangerous
example,
flight,
you would have heard this AIMS, right? All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Their doctors are world renowned and they stay near the residential apartments, near those institutes. And I mean, reputation is there. Financially, they are very good. And also, I mean, yeah, they are satisfied. What is the bigger thing to save somebody's lives? No, nothing is bigger than this. No, they are treated
Yes, sir.
second to God, actually. Generally, that's what the phrase goes. Doctors are second to God.
Yes, sir.
Possibly, you can, I mean, you have an example. You can look towards more better examples also.
what's it?
And you can look towards better examples also.
So I wanted to be a doctor because even Sankat knows past like a month. I have been in the hospital only, so
Sir,
Get
his
you.
guy actually he had a problem, sir, where
but
like
gallbladder stones.
it, yeah, his gallbladder had to be removed, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir, I got it removed, sir. It's
Yes,
not like that important organ, so they said they can remove.
he actually had an
Okay,
infection there, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. When it happened?
So like
Like
before
6 months
exams,
ago.
like yeah, 6 months
Yeah,
ago or
before.
4 months ago, like that. Yes, sir.
Sir, during the last term of seventh standard,
Yeah, like
eighth standard.
Okay,
April or yeah, April. Yes, sir. April or March.
okay. So, do you need to revisit again?
No, sir, that's it. Like that, and
That's
I'm
it.
completely like. Uh,
Where you got it removed?
so the Apollo Hospital at OMR,
Hmm.
Thoripakam.
Sorry, Park. Okay. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
good. So you can decide, you still have time. Even uh, people at your stage, if I don't know you are aware or not, they even work at this stage itself in 11th and 12th. They come up with some contacts with some companies, and the companies offer services to them, and they work simultaneously with studying.
Like
Okay.
internship,
So
sir.
my
So,
mom,
but
actually, my
like for
mom is
children.
trying to, mom is trying to make me a shopkeeper in 11th standard, sir.
Even I'm thinking about like stocks, doing
Okay,
stocks in my home. Like I just
stocks,
need a
huh?
better computer. Yes, sir.
Mm. Yeah, why not? Why not? There is
I,
a
I,
world
I
in
have
front
like
of you.
this.
You are at a stage where you can become anything. Just that if we remove these fears and borders, every option is for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if you need, we can discuss sometime. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the
Yes, sir.
best then.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Hey,
Bye.
Nitish,
Good night.
Nitish, you're coming today,
Yes.
right? Are you gonna fill the form?
Which form?
They sent a form in the group that